This is for all you J cats out there that think birds ain't real because you don't never see them at night. Well, guess what? They sleep in crevices, fool. They're not gonna be flying out in the night. They probably can't see at night. But I've been watching videos, people swear up and down that pigeons are from the government and that they're drones. Look at that. There's a person way up there in that window. They already left. We're in another plaza. This is another mall right here. This is the Old Time Mall. What is this mall called?
Plaza Alameda.
Alameda's over there, babe.
No, this is Plaza Alameda. Okay.
This one is not that one. This one's it? Oh, okay. This is another. Good night. Good night. Good night. I've been driving around trying to pay the light. Finally. There you guys go. You can see the pigeons. They're not robots and not drones. Come on, you guys. Alright, have a good night. Get that like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Positive comments. Good night. Boy Danny, Life Adventures.